Hi, I'm doing a yarn giveaway. This is for Walmart, not Knit Crate this time, but I was just going to go over a few of the links that I have below in the description of this video before I show the yarn that I'm going to give away. So if you'd like to sign up under me, you can use the promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month. They have the monthly clubs and the quarterly clubs. And if you go to Amy's patterns, amyscrochetpatterns.com is my blog. You can click on any one of these categories. This is miscellaneous and doilies, washcloths, holidays. Click on any one of these pictures. It will take you right to the pattern with a video. Usually most of my patterns have videos and most of my patterns are free. Also, if you go to Amy Creative Creations, if you go click on Crochet Patterns PDF, these are my PDFs that I have that I am selling. I don't sell very many. I do most of my patterns are free, as well as Crochet Vintage. And if you click on all, then these are all of my digital products that are products for thank you tags, calendars, and such. Okay, so let's look at the yarn.
So to participate in this yarn giveaway, comment down below and I will pick somebody with the random comment picker. And also make sure you're a subscriber, comment something crochet related, a video you'd like to see or something that you are working on down below. So this is a really nice, thick, soft yarn. It's the Bloom Chunky Bag from Walmart. It is 7 ounces, 218 yards, 100% acrylic. This would make a great blanket. It looks like they have a blanket pattern attached to this. It's Premier Yarns. Really nice yarn, color Bluebell. I did the pink one before. This is bulky 5, and you would need a size 8 hook. So for this giveaway, comment down below something crochet related. Please make sure you are a subscriber. I will come back in a few days and pick a winner. So come back and see if you are the winner. Okay, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.